So hello everyone, my name is Lavanya and I am from Chhattisgarh. So today I am talking about how to improve our spoken English and how to build our confident level. So now little bit I am nervous because it's my first vlogging types video. So okay, but yeah, okay. So without any delay, I start this video. Okay, so what is method I used and how to build our confidence level and how to improve and how to enhance our communication skills. Okay, so first you maintain your daily routine whenever you wake up, like you wake up sometimes 8 o'clock, sometimes 6 o'clock, and what times you wake up. So at that times first you first scroll your phone. Okay, so at that times you like normal video you watch. So it's a helpful for your and helpful for your learning journey. And even like earlier even it's earlier times I'm not speaking, like it's a single sentence I can't speak, just because at that times when I talk, so at that times I'm very scary and very nervousness. And even when I talk, so that types sound in my camera. So at that times I use some tricks like first reading practice and writing practice. And even when I talk, especially for stranger, like sometimes I talk on it's a video call, and I had conversation like many YouTuber and some mails I have. So at that times I connect, just because at that times while I am had session, so at that times I build my confidence, because without connecting, how is it possible to learn this language? First you connect another people. And even earlier I don't have any like partner. And even I'm in Chhattisgarh and Raigad city. So in our Raigad city, most of the people talk in Hindi language and Chhattisgarhi language. And me, I'm also, when I talk my friends and colleagues, so at that times I'm talking in Hindi language. And I have some few friends, so sometimes I'm talking in English because nowadays I have network, like it's our social media, so that's the reason. And now have number of it's a number of mail, so at that times I'm talking video call and audio call also. So it's a helpful for me, and it's a helpful for viewer also. Okay, so actually so what types method you used? So first, when you wake up, so at that times, like you wake up sometimes you early, some 9 and 8 o'clock. So what times you have a fixed time? So first you are in fixed time. Okay, first you you create your fixed times. You are, I mean to say, whatever what times you wake up. So first it's a what methods I use. So I used reading practice and writing practice and tongue twister practice. Tongue twisters means talking more and more. Without talking, how is it possible learn this language? Because it's our second language. It's our first language, it's our Chhattisgarhi and Hindi, and it's a third language. So what method you used? So you used it's a reading practice. And I'm repeating like it's a reading practice. It's a like you have novel and you have and every person have a smartphone. So at that times you how to build our confident level, and how to read and writing, and what types novel. So first I listening more and more story, sometimes like a cartoon story, and sometimes moral story I have. So at that times now I am reading and writing, just because at that time so many vocabulary, because without reading and without consuming word, how is it possible to learn this language? It's not our mother tongue. Okay, so first you practice, and you practice, and and remove your comfort zone, because without comfort zone how is it possible? And even me, now I'm in garden, and little bit I'm nervous because number of people in my side next to me, but little bit I'm fear, because without fear how is it possible to make video? And it's helpful for viewers, and helpful for me, because I remove my hesitation, and I remove my nervousness. And even since my childhood, so at that times I'm a very fear, I mean to say I have fear and hesitation. I'm a totally I'm a totally shy girl. And so at that times some friend fight me and my friends sometimes fighting each other. So at that times I cried, and then I came back my home, and I talk my mother, because I'm a very shy girl, so that's the reason. So and uh, it's a too totally I'm a very shy. But now I have confidence, and I have knowledge how, what I do, and what I do, and what type methods I use. And I want to become a every video I tell some my teachers also, and some friends also, while I'm had video call. So at that times I'm talking, ma'am, I want to become a fluent speaker. Okay, so at that times I'm talking, and I'm saying, ma'am, I want to become a fluent speaker. So now I'm working, now I am working. So that's the reason I want to I say, now I am working, so that's the reason I am saying. And without hard working, how is it possible to learn this language? And how without possible to become a native speaker? And even I promised on myself, my birthday, it's a 6 month, and then it's a 6 month, so and then become my birthday, it's a 8 April. So I promised on myself, I have only for 6 months, and then I achieve, and I talk, it's like a native speaker. Why? Because I am promised on myself, and I never broke my promise. It's my quality. And I'm a very energetic person, and I'm a very health conscious girl also. I'm telling, ma'am, I'm a very health conscious girl, and I'm a very punctual girl. Why? Because I'm literally I wake up sometimes 6, sometimes 7, depend on my sleeping time. But sometimes I slept, it's 11 o'clock, sometimes 11:30, and so I wake up 7 and 6. So at that times my daily routine. Okay, I tell my daily routine. Small is it's a small, okay. So I tell my daily routine. So I wake up 6 o'clock, and then I go and then I go washroom. and I freshen up, and then I go for kitchen, and I drink warm water. It's a lemon water because I love drink lemon water, because just because I already mentioned I'm a health conscious girl. So I remove my fat, and then I do exercise, sometimes 40 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, depend on my mood. So it's helpful for my body, and it's helpful because health is wealth, health is wealth. So that's the reason, and I enjoy at that times when I do exercise, so at that times I enjoy lot, just because in my ear I put earbuds, and I enjoy I think it's a 5-6 song. So at that times I heard and I listen, and then I do exercise. 2-3 video I have, and I am doing exercise in regular basis. So I enjoy a lot, just because it's when I exercise, I do exercise. So at that times I am feeling relaxed in my mind also. I am thinking what to do and what types video I make, just because at that times my mind is totally sharp, and my mind is built, it's a growth. Because when you continue in your exercise, and when you continue your reading and writing practicing, one thing I tell you, it's a Hindi, खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर, ना. So that's the reason मैं कभी अपने दिमाग को खाली रखना नहीं चाहती, एंड अपने आप को इंगेज करके रखती हूँ, एंड जब भी हो मैं अपने आप में इंगेज रहती हूँ. एंड मुझे नाउ डेज I'm in YouTuber, and I don't have that much subscriber, but I'm satisfied with my subscriber. Okay, and I want to become a famous person, so that's the reason make I video also, and it's a and conversation video also I make, and sometimes motivational, because I love make video. So that's the reason. And okay, so that is method you used, and build your personality, and build your improve your body also. So that is method you used. And what I do, what I say, very well, because you are a very intelligent person, and so I don't have any words now. And okay, and last, keep practicing, and keep practicing, and keep learning, and don't be hesitate. Okay, and for don't I mean to say, don't be feeling shy. Sometimes it's happen, but it's okay. And yeah, that's it. And okay, एंड आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. मैंने जल्दी बोला क्योंकि मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था, सच्ची बताऊँ तो. मैं अकेले आई हूँ, एंड बट इट्स ओके, क्योंकि जब तक जाओगे नहीं, एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगी नहीं, तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. ओके, बाय, टेक केयर.